I read a recent post of yours and we're talking about having reliability success. I imagine a lot of having success requires a lot of planning. So your most recent post regarding maintenance planning, where do you see the biggest mistakes that people are making with regards to maintenance planning?
Well, it's kind of a humorous conversation. I always bring up is that, reactive maintenance, if your maintenance planner is chasing parts every day for current jobs, because once the planner is for future work only, future work only. If it's today's activities, it's the maintenance supervisor's responsibility to handle it, not the planner. The planner, if you want to be successful, make sure you got a planner, make sure that no one touches this person. I mean, sometimes you have to talk to them. Sometimes that happens, but it'll be a rare occasion you go see the maintenance planner. It ought to be rare.
Got it. So what I'm hearing is like having a separation of concerns, a separation of people, roles, and responsibilities. Someone who thinks about the future versus someone who thinks about the today. And what I hear is you're breaking it out between a maintenance supervisor handles the today activities, and the maintenance planner handles the tomorrow activities and the future activities.
The future, right. So the planner is strategic, the supervisor is tactical. That's
Absolutely.
the way I look at it.
And so I can imagine a lot of people asking this question next is, when is it the right time to hire and separate these into two different roles? How do you know when it's the right time?
Day one, that's where you start. You got to start somewhere. I mean,
Yeah.
if you're reactive, starting anywhere is going to get you somewhere, but a planner, a lot of people want to go outside and hire a planner. I'm more taking the best maintenance technician that will sit up behind a desk, that can use a computer. I want to make them a maintenance planner. I want to have them formally trained, but when they're formally trained, send them somewhere to a company that trains maintenance planners, but make sure you send the maintenance manager with that planner. So them two together can learn together, because otherwise people send planners off to training. I've trained a lot of them, and they go back and it's like, we're talking about maintenance planning and they don't even understand the real definition of maintenance planning and scheduling. I said, yeah, I told you to bring the guy with you. That's the only way it's going to work. You got to bring the boss with you. Or the other option is bring the instructor back to the plant, train the plant on planning and scheduling.